Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Please make sure you stay with me, stick with me, because I have a lot of recipes to share with you. In today's video, I will share with you how to make steamed milk cupcakes. This turns out so delicious, easy to make, and you don't need any oven for this recipe. It's also great ideas for parties. Let's get started. In the saucepan, add in water, some amount of water, and then put in your wire rack. Close it and bring it to a boil. So let's move to the making of the cake. In the big saucepan, in the big bowl, add in melted butter, egg, sugar, evaporated milk. I used evaporated milk for this recipe. Stir it until everything has come together, just like so, and sieve in the dry ingredients, which is flour, baking powder, and salt. I'll sieve these ingredients together into the wet ingredients. When done, mix it until well combined. I nearly forgot the vanilla essence, so make sure you add in your vanilla essence. The flour, I divided it into 2 equal parts and then added in 1. Mix until everything has come together and then added in the rest. So you're going to mix this until you get to this consistency. It shouldn't be thin, either too thick. So this is the right consistency. When you get to this point, you also need a cupcake paper molds for this recipe, and then put it in the cupcakes molds. When done, scoop about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the batter in it. So I used a ice cream scooper, but you can use a spoon if you don't have the ice cream scooper. When done, make sure you tap it to take out any excess holes, excess bubbles, and then put it on top of the wire rack. By then the water should be boiling, and then put it on top of the wire rack. It shouldn't touch the water, so the water should be less. And then arrange it on it, cover it, and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick is inserted and comes out clean. This is all you have to do. It's very easy. It took less time for making it, and trust me, it's so delicious as well. This is great ideas for parties, especially when you're doing kids parties. You know, kids loves cupcakes, so you can decorate it as anyhow you want, and then that is all. It's easy, it's simple, it's so delicious. I hope you're going to give it a try. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, this is so delicious. And just look at this amazing cupcake, guys. This thing is so delicious. It's soft, it's yummicious. I hope you're going to give it a try. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.